Want to make money with affiliate marketing? Then watch this video until the end. I'm going to share 5 tips that will help you make your first dollars online thanks to affiliate marketing, and a bonus tip that I've saved for the end of this video. Let's go. Hello, I'm Sophie Soundbite and I help you turn your passion into a profitable business thanks to affiliate marketing. I personally do this with this YouTube channel. If you want to learn how to do this too, just click the link in the description of the video and you will be on your way. So, first tip to make your first few dollars online with affiliate marketing. Very important. Make sure you offer a lead magnet, you capture people's email addresses, and that you create a relationship through email to make sales further down the line. It's a fact that most people will not buy from you straight away. So if you can get people's email addresses and create a good relationship with them, then many people are going to buy from you further down the line. If you don't know how to do that, watch this video. It will tell you exactly how to create a lead magnet for free, get email addresses, and follow up by email. Tip number 2, choose a good offer, preferably with a low ticket, a cheap entry point, and a good value ladder. It's a lot easier for people to whip out their credit card and pay something like $5, $7, $10 than to whip out their credit card and spend $3,000. So if you can find a product that's a really good quality product but low priced, and that then offers the customer the chance to spend more money further down the line and therefore to give you more commissions further down the line, then you are on to a winner. If that's possible, go for it. Tip number 3, make sure that you focus on growing on one main platform. Don't be absolutely all over the place. If you're starting from scratch, pick one platform. It could be YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Clubhouse, Pinterest. I don't care what it is, but choose one. Because that way you're going to be an expert on this platform, you're going to grow much faster and your audience is going to know exactly where you are and what you stand for. Tip number 4, focus on helping people out with their problems. Take the time to find out what your audience's problems are and really go out of your way to help people out. This is going to increase trust and people then will be much more likely to buy from you. And tip number 5, have a clear call to action. Tell people what to do. For instance, if you want to learn how to make affiliate commissions with a very small YouTube channel, click the link in the description of this video and get my course. That is a clear call to action. And if you want to do that, by the way, just go ahead, click the link below and we can work together. So really, people need to be told what to do. People need a clear direction. So make sure you include really regular calls to action, which basically means tell people what they need to do if they want to get your help or the product that you are promoting that is going to help them with their problem. And finally, for my bonus tip, choose your niche carefully. If you're just starting out, you might be very tempted to go for the make money online niche. Now, of course, this is a very profitable niche and you are totally free to choose it. However, with affiliate marketing, you can make a very good income in absolutely any niche. So make sure you go with something that you really enjoy doing in the long term. Don't just go for the make money online niche because you told, oh, well, this is the most profitable niche to be in, but then find yourself bored after 6 months. If you're passionate about another topic, it could be anything, gardening, fitness, dieting, cooking, then really very seriously consider growing in one of these niches instead of going for the make money online niche. Now, there are plenty of gurus who will tell you that you can make millions in the make money online niche, and that is true. And I know some people who are very successful in the make money online niche. However, there are also plenty of people who are completely lost and you never make a single dollar online. So if you're not really sure that you want to attract an audience in the make money online niche, then just go with another niche, don't you worry, there's plenty of affiliate products that you can promote that will make you a very, very, very good income. And if you love the niche, you are going to stay the course and you get to work within that field for years, right? So that's it for my tips. Once again, if you want to learn how to make affiliate commissions with YouTube, create videos that will make you affiliate commissions over and over again, click the link, get my course, and we will work together. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content. If you enjoyed this video, I bet you'll enjoy this one next. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.